Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by enabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices. This creates the local channel Quick Share uses. Open the Quick Share app on your Samsung and scan for nearby devices. Your laptop should appear. Once visible, tap the laptop name and send an initial small file to prompt the handshake. Make sure your laptop accepts connections in its sharing settings, otherwise the phone will time out. Doing this first step completes the secure discovery and starts the transfer session. Now select the items you want to move: photos, videos, or documents. Tap Share, pick Quick Share, and choose your laptop from the device list. You'll see a progress bar. Once done, the app verifies checksums to ensure integrity. If you're sending many files, group them into folders to keep metadata intact. This reduces connection overhead. Make sure both devices stay awake and within range during transfer, because interruptions may cause partial copies that require restarting the transfer. Finish by confirming files are in your laptop's downloads or Quick Share folder. Open a couple to verify integrity. If something goes wrong, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, then reattempt the transfer. This clears transient network states. Make sure laptop firewall or privacy settings aren't blocking discovery. Allow file sharing for private networks. If problems persist, restart both devices and send one small file to test the connection before retrying a bulk transfer. That isolates the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.